Hi guys, I found out recently that there is a Miniso store in a mall in Chesapeake, Virginia. It's a Greenbrier Mall, and I was super excited because I didn't think I had one close to me. So my husband took me there, and they had pretty much the same stuff. It's a smaller location than what I was at in Tyson's Corner, but they had these blind boxes for $15.99. So I bought one, and this is the unboxing for it. So first, let me apologize for the background of this video. I was really anxious to open this as I got it a couple of days ago, and I've been working on my cubicle decorations for work. And so that's clay and paint and stuff on the background because this is my crafting table. And I, just put a piece of foil piece down so that I could have like a somewhat clear space. So I apologize for the paint and the clay and everything. But anyways, on to the unboxing. So I got the Amortensia, which is the love potion, which I was happy about. I mean, they all look pretty cute. It's hard to tell really because the pictures are smaller on the box. But they do not come with instructions, and I am not the best at figuring things out without some kind of instruction. The funny thing is I don't usually read instructions, but I'll glance through them, or if they're like the IKEA ones, how they have the pictures. So it was a serious struggle for me to figure out how this was supposed to go because the only indication I have are these little tiny pictures on the side of the box. So I spent way too long trying to figure this out. But it is a super cute display, and I guess like the point of it is you can either have it sitting on a shelf, that's why it has the little clear tray, or it also has the ribbon so you can hang it up. What took me way too long to realize was that I had the pink glitter part backwards on the base letter that's there. And the bottle of the potion is actually magnetic. So once I figured out that part, it was a lot easier. But it took me, nearly 10-ish minutes to get it put together properly. And I untied the bow and had to retie it because it's actually sewn or glued for part of it. So I kind of messed up a little bit, by untying the bow. But now you don't have to do that, right? Because I did it for you. So once I got it put together properly and realized that the little hook thingy was supposed to go at the front of the display, and that the bottle is magnetic. I mean, it's not really a bottle, it's a flat thing, and I just couldn't figure it out. I was trying to wedge the hook thing underneath the wax seal on the letter. I mean, it was a challenge for me. But hopefully, if I get another one, I will be able to figure it out a lot more quickly since I've done this one. I assume they're all pretty similar to put together. So have you guys seen these in the stores? I guess specifically for the Miniso store. And, they had, I don't know if they just gotten them in or not, but the store was really not busy at all. Hopefully it'll last. I don't know how long it's been open or anything, but if you're in Chesapeake near the Greenbrier Mall, stop in and take a look because we're lucky to have one of these stores down this far, I think, because the next closest one is Northern Virginia. So, yeah. If you guys have gotten these, let me know in the comments what you think about them and which ones you've gotten. And did you struggle putting it together like I did? Yeah. So this is the finished product, and as you can see, the bottle is magnetic to that little hook thing. That was really the key part that I missed at the beginning of trying to put this together. Thanks for watching. Bye.